Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to write your first HTML code. To do that, we first need to download Brackets. Brackets is an application where you can write code and it will understand it. So first you need to go to Google and go ahead and search up Brackets. It's brackets.io. Click on the URL and then it should take you to this page. And I'm going to put this in my description too, the link to it, but you just have to download it, press that button there, and it would automatically download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do it. It will take you to something like this, but it will have instructions for you, kind of like basic instructions of how Brackets works. You don't need all that. You can just go to File right here, click on New, that's what I'm going to do, and then we're going to save this file. Save it. I would suggest saving it to desktop, and you need to make the file name index.html for Brackets to read it. It only likes to use this name, and you're gonna have to put index.html and save it as all files. Save it. Okay. So to begin, we can go ahead and write. So HTML starts with the HTML element. It's just a less than sign, HTML, and then a greater than sign ending it. This is mandatory for every HTML code. It begins with the HTML element. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to comment and say this is very important. Has to be in the beginning of every HTML code. Yes, so what I just did was a comment. So the computer won't read this, whatever is in the comments. It's just for people to understand what is going on and what this element means. I just did that. It's good whenever you're collaborating with a bunch of people to write down comments to let them know that this is what you meant. And then the next thing is we want a title. Title, we can say, let's do Hello World. It's kind of the first code everyone begins with. And then you don't need a header, but let's just do it. Show you how it pops up on our screen. And then the important one is body. This, inside the body element right here, this is what the computer will read. Whatever's inside this, basically. So first, to write down a text, P is the element for, it stands for paragraph, I believe, but it's basically text that you can write and it'll show up. So we can say this is my first HTML code, exclamation point. And that's it, basically. You want to save it again. You can do that, or you can just do Control S. And then right after this, I'm going to go to the right here, and this is the live preview. So if you click on this, it's going to connect to basically the code, whatever we just wrote. This was a paragraph. So this was a paragraph right here for the P element. And then hello was the header. And the title, as you can see, is on the tab right there. So this is, again, basic HTML. But what you want to remember is you always need this HTML element. Let's go back. You always want to start with this. You need to start with this and end with this. Basically, all HTML elements have a starting element and an ending element. The only difference is there's a slash sign right before it. So basically, as you can see for title, there is the ending, header, header ending, body, body ending, P ending. And what I like about Brackets is it's way easier and more organized. Like, you can also write this code, do the same thing, make a new file, save it, write your code, save it, and then open it up on Chrome or any other internet browser. it will pop up if you do this on Notepad as well. The same procedure. But brackets is kind of more organized and more efficient, so that's why I recommend using this application to write HTML code. It also reads CSS, we'll learn about that later, PHP, and various other codes. So that's it for today, and I'm going to be uploading new videos on more elements. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.